Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 731. We're opening two box. Upper Decks Ultimate Collection 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 7th at 10:29 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 1:49 p.m. Monday, June 8th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 221, 142, 015. Trying to get the glare off here. Full manual. There we go. Second box number is 221, 152, 069. We've got 4 cards per pack, 1 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box of Ultimate Collection 13-14, break number 731. Okay, we need to break the seal here carefully, and then, whoops, open sesame. 1 pack, 1 cool empty box. Extra careful, like always. Our first card, base card out of 499, PK Subban from Montreal. Ultimate Rookies, Ty McGuinn, Flyers. Cards numbered out of 499. And we got Frederick Anderson for Ducks, rookie signature card out of 399. Oh, and also for Ducks, we've got an Ultimate Rookie patches. Beautiful patches. Card is numbered out 75. John Gibson for Ducks. Card. Look at these patches. They're really nice. Okay, so that's our first box. Let's just put this aside here. Second box. Just like to mention that we've got 6 box breaks ending tonight between 8 and 10:30 p.m. We got some Artifact 13-14 2-box breaks. We got some 14-15 Superlative Vault and some Ultimate Vault. We also have an identical to this one, a 2-box Ultimate Collection 13-14. More appeal all the time on Box Breakers. Okay, so here we go. Open sesame. Back. Neat. Empty box. Okay, let's bring back our pile. Okay, first card, Patrick Kane, Chicago, base card out of 499. Michael Raffle for Flyers, rookie out of 499, Ultimate Rookies. Double check our logo in the back here, yeah, Flyers. Little backing. Oh, this is nice. Alex Galchenyuk, oh, and out of 99. Rookie autograph card, beautiful. If you're a Montreal fans, that's the rookie you want. And it's the short print, cool. And we've got premium swatches. Cam Neely for Boston. Jumbo jersey out of 35. Card number 14. That's our 2-box. So let's do a quick recap. Carefully. So, game used jersey card 35 for Boston of Cam Neely. Beautiful, beautiful. Galchenyuk, a rookie from Montreal, out of 99. Cool auto. Got a ultimate rookie, Michael Raffle, for Flyers, out of 499. Base card, Patrick Kane for Chicago, out of 499. This 6 patches for John Gibson, ultimate rookies, out of 75 for Ducks. And this auto rookie, let me just get the part out. This auto rookie, Frederick Anderson, out of 399. Ty McGlynn, rookie for Flyers, out of 499, and PK Subban, out of 499 base card. So that concludes our box break number 731. Be sure to check out our box breaks tonight between 8 and 10:30 p.m. My name is Gilles. Thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.